Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the best alternatives to Spocket. Now, I'm a big fan of Spocket. It's a great platform for finding and selling products to dropship. But like anything, it's not perfect. And there are definitely some other options out there that might be a better fit for your business. So, in this video, I'm going to share my top 5 picks for the best Spocket alternatives. I'll cover everything from pricing and features to customer service and support. So, whether you're just starting out with dropshipping or you're a seasoned pro, I think you'll find something helpful here. But before we get into the details, let's talk about why you might want to consider an alternative to Spocket. One of the biggest reasons is pricing. Spocket can be a bit expensive, especially if you're on one of their higher tier plans. So, if you're looking to save money, an alternative might be a good option. Another reason to consider an alternative is features. Spocket has a lot of great features, but it doesn't have everything. So, if you're looking for something specific that Spocket doesn't offer, an alternative might be a better fit. Finally, customer service and support are important factors to consider when choosing a dropshipping platform. Spocket has good customer service, but it's not always the best. So, if you're looking for a platform with excellent customer service, an alternative might be a better option. So, now that we've covered the reasons why you might want to consider an alternative to Spocket, let's get into the details of my top 5 picks. 1. Printful. Printful is a great all-around dropshipping platform. They have a wide variety of products to choose from, and their prices are very competitive. Printful also has excellent customer service and support. 2. Oberlo. Oberlo is another great option for dropshipping. They have a large selection of products, and their prices are competitive. Oberlo also has good customer service and support. 3. Sears. Sears is a relatively new dropshipping platform, but they're quickly gaining popularity. They have a wide variety of products to choose from, and their prices are competitive. Sears also has good customer service and support. 4. Salehu. Salehu is a wholesale directory that allows you to connect with suppliers and dropshippers. They have a wide variety of products to choose from, and their prices are competitive. Salehu also has good customer service and support. 5. AliExpress. AliExpress is a Chinese e-commerce platform that allows you to buy products directly from suppliers. They have a wide variety of products to choose from, and their prices are very competitive. AliExpress does not have customer service or support in English. So, those are my top 5 picks for the best Spocket alternatives. I hope this information is helpful. And remember, there is no one-size-fits-all solution when it comes to choosing a dropshipping platform. So, be sure to do your research and choose the platform that's right for you. And with that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, happy dropshipping.